Welcome to Hawaii Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss how to update the firmware using weekend. So for that, just like in the previous video, connect CAT-C and processor and configure the IP. Only after that we can update the firmware. To download the firmware, go through the novastar.tech website and download the correct firmware for the required processor. So once the firmware is downloaded, open the weekend software. After opening the weekend software, the device will automatically detect. Then click System. In that, select the firmware update option. Then click Browse and go to the location where we downloaded the firmware update and select it. Now click the Update button. After updating, we can see the change in the firmware version.